Hey, this is Kirk with AnEasierWayToTrade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, please hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when we come out with more videos. Okay, once you've opened up your account with Social Trader Tools, you want to come to right here. You'll be on the dashboard, and you want to click on Configurator Accounts. It'll bring you to a page like this, except you won't have this right here yet. Yours will say Add an Account, Add Hosting. It'll all be on the left-hand side. You want to click on Add the Hosting first. Then you want to click on Manage Hosting. When you click on Manage Hosting, it's going to ask you to get your accounts, and you want to go up to 2 accounts. You want to click Select right here, and then once you click that, that's $20 a month, and that'll give you up to 2 accounts. Once you do that, you'll go through your billing and everything. Once you finish your billing, it'll bring you back to the accounts page, and then you want to click on Add an Account. Okay, everybody, this is how you set up your trade copier. Okay, first thing you want to do after you've gotten your hosting is you want to come over and you want to click on Configurator. Go to Accounts. You should be right here. Now, you probably see this message right here. If you see this red message, you're doing this over the weekend, and that's basic. That's regular. Don't worry about that. This right here is something new. Equity protection. All right? This is for your safety. Okay, but first thing you want to do is click on Add an Account. You're going to click on whatever account you have, MT4 or MT5, whichever one. I'm doing MT4. Description name is, you name it whatever you want to name it. Account number. Let me get my account number. I'm going to paste that in here. Then account password. I'm going to put this in. This is your trading account password, not the password that goes to you logging into your broker, but your actual trading password, and not the investor password, the trading password. Okay. Then you want to select your broker. They're in alphabetical order. Then you want your server, your broker server. All right. I'm going to add account. Now, once I send here, it's right here. You'll see a circle or timer right here. If it is correct, it'll put a green check. If it is wrong, it'll put an X. Normally takes anywhere from 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I'm going to stop the recording so you don't have to wait for this 1 minute to 2 minutes. And I'll start it back once I get the check. Okay, as you can see, my information was correct. I got a green box. Now, up here, it says you can no longer create new equity protectors. Create equity monitors instead. We're going to go through the video because it does let me create equity protectors. So we're just going to do both of them. And maybe they'll probably phasing this out. But I know for right now it has to do it. All right, so we're going to come over here to Configurator, Trade Copier. You want to create a copier. Okay, you're going to be copying from 4 Figures to Freedom. You're going to send it to your personal account right here, whichever your account is, whatever broker you have. Okay, you're going to select Risk Multiplier by Balance. Okay, Risk Multiplier by Balance. The reason we're doing Risk Multiplier by Balance is because we're only taking 1 trade at a time. So you don't have to worry about the equity or anything like that. You want to have risk multiplied by balance. Okay. Multiplier of 1, copy existing trades, no, then create the copier. You're going to come over here, use the trade copy at your own risk, read that, put a check, and then click create copier. Okay. Now your copy is created. You see it right here. I believe this is going away, but for right now it's there because we're going to actually create a equity protector. All right, the red dot, click it, turn the copier on, update. Right. So now I want to come over to Configurator. I want to go to email alerts. I do not want any emails. I get enough emails from everything. I don't want any emails. I'm watching it. I know what it's doing. I don't need an email to tell me it closed or it opened or whatever. So I'm going to update. This is your preference. Update. Gets updated. Now I'm going to go back to configurator. Go back to accounts. I want to click on the configure wheel right here, the configure system wheel. I want to go to disable symbols. We're only trading gold. So right now, 179 enabled symbols. This slows your copier down. By having to monitor all these pairs, it slows your copier down. Look at all these non-Forex pairs. It has to monitor for every trade. I only want to trade gold, so we're going to toggle all off. Click off. Go down here and find gold. The last one, turn gold back on. Then toggle all the non-Forex ones off. Then come down and update. All right. Process it now. So I should say only one enabled symbol. 178 turned off. This should make your copier more responsive. All right. So now everything is ready. You got your account there. You got your equity protector done. Go back here. Configurator. Accounts. Okay, the last thing we need to do now is go back to the configurator, go to Trade Copier, click on the settings wheel here, stops and limits. You want to copy the stop loss? Yes. Copy take profit? Yes. Then update. Copy pending orders? No, because we don't do pending orders. So make sure the stop loss and the take profit are set update. Your copier is running. If you go here to Trade Copier, you see your copier is running with the green right here. You are set up and ready to take trades. If you have any questions, just get in touch with us.